Hey and welcome back. In this video we'll say a few words about the methods in the Unity and C#. So whenever you wanna build the methods, first you do is declare it's private or public, so you have the access or not from the annotator script. After that we need to give her some return value. It can be void, so don't give the return, or any type of any variable type, so int, bool. After that we give the name for methods. So let's see the example. The first example is private void damage, and the private is just for the script on its own. The void is return values or not return anything, and the damage is the method name. In the parentheses we give some parameters. In this case I don't put anything, it's not required. So let's see another example. It's public int health int a return a. So it's public, so you can have access from author script. Int in this case is our return value, type int. Health is the method name, and as parameters you need to give the type and the name for it, and return keywords type int. So let's jump into Unity and do some code. Okay, so first let's make script and just simply call it first method. And before I open it, I will create the empty object to hold the script. So right click, create empty object, and let's give it name method script holder. And add the script, and now open it. I will don't use the updates, I'll just remove that, and the first line above the start I remove as well. I don't need that information. Okay, so let's write the first example, what we have before we jump to the Unity. So private void damage, parentheses, open curly braces, and let's simply write the book log. And maybe let's write damage done. So we'll get that information whenever we use that method. And close with semicolon. And now whenever you wanna call the method, you just simply write the name, put the parentheses, and put the semicolon to close it. So let's try it. So we should have the information on the console. Yeah, you can see here damage done, and it's call on the start from our method. So whenever we start the game, our method it's call from the method name in the start. So this is how we use the simple method. And let's now try the second one. So public int, let's call it health, and give some parameters, int a and return a. So whenever this method will be called, it's gonna give the information from the parameters we'll put in. So now on the start I write the hill and add some information to it. I just put simple 7. And now it's not working because I didn't debug it to show in the console. So I need to add the vline debug log and put a. So now the console will show us the information in the book. And here we have the 7. So any number I'll put there in the health between the parentheses, it will become array and will be shown in the inspector in this case. Now let's use them both. Save, clear, and play, and we'll get the both methods and the both information in the console. So damage done, and hell is 7. It's return all int information. You can as well use the bool, and instead of that you can just set up that the bool is true or false. So let's try something different, because our methods can also be the holder for the information. So for example, let's write public int health number, and our public health number will be equal to our method, and I will get the information from the method. So it's kind of used like a storage now. So let's change that to 5, and we should get the information from the health method. Okay, let's save, clear, and play, and see what happened. And now it shows what we have in the health system. Oh, maybe not system, but the method. So let's change that maybe for 10 now, and see if it changed. And now we see the 10, so everything working like it should. So this is some simple method examples. Hope you enjoy, like this, and subscribe for more. See you next time. Cheers.